Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Healthline account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process and access personalized health information. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to healthline.com. Click on Sign In or Login in the top right corner of the homepage. Step 2. Enter your email address and password to log into your Healthline account. If you signed up using Google or Facebook, select the appropriate login option. Step 3. After logging in, look for any verification notifications or banners that appear on your account dashboard. Step 4. Click on your profile icon or username in the top right corner of the page. Step 5. Select Account Settings or Profile Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 6. In your account settings, locate the Email or Email Verification section. Step 7. If your email is not verified, you'll see a button or link labeled Resend Verification Email or Verify Email Address. Click on it. Step 8. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Healthline. The subject line will typically indicate it's for email verification. Step 9. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you to the Healthline website and automatically verify your email address. Step 10. You'll see a confirmation message on Healthline indicating that your email has been successfully verified. Step 11. Return to your account settings to confirm that your email now shows as verified with a check mark or verified label. Step 12. With a verified account, you can save articles, receive personalized health newsletters, track your health topics of interest, and access customized content recommendations from Healthline. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.